Welcome back to Trading with CJ. We have another massive update today around Shiba Inu. We've been tracking this crypto for quite some time now, way over a month since this first popped onto the scene and it exploded, okay? People made some crazy gains. Since then, the crypto did start having a bit more of a downward trend, consolidating, and then just within the last 24 hours, we have seen a massive pop from Shiba Inu, okay? We're going to go through the latest news around this one and give you guys the updates around Shiba as well, as we have been doing for the last month or so. If you appreciate all these updates, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel as well. Those of you that are invested in the crypto space know that it is extremely volatile, okay? These crypto tokens or these meme tokens, etc., they can come onto the scene, they can explode, and just as easy as they can explode, they can obviously lose you money as well. So always do your own research when investing. But nevertheless, Shiba Inu is a token that we are really fond of, okay? We've been covering this one for quite some time. I do have a position in these, fairly small in the grand scheme of things. However, you know, I'm open to that element of risk. That is my little stake there in Shiba, and I've been tracking this one. It is exciting. It has been up there with one of the most popular ones over the past month. We look at the price of Shiba Inu right now, okay? At this time of recording, we are 0.000008. 08, okay, so it has had a bit of a spike, as you can see here. Look on the 7-day graph, you can see this one straight line up, okay? The volume went from about 450 million up to pretty much almost a billion, okay, for the first time in a long time. We was getting this one trade in the billions, okay, in the volume. However, it's been a little while since it's really been hitting that kind of volume, but nevertheless it went up to some very nice highs, and you can look here on the 1-day chart here, that's pretty much been consolidating again. So we had a big spike, but it has not started that downward trend just yet anyway. It may well do that, or it may continue to rise. We obviously hope that this is going to go in the upward trend over time, but that's part of investing, okay? You can't go up and down every single day, but as long as over time this one goes up, then you're going to be making some nice gains. But we can see, looking at the historical data on this one, the volume has kind of been, like I said, around that 500 million, the 460 million mark right there. But this is not taking into account the previous day where I said it almost hit that 1 billion. And the market cap at this moment in time currently sits for almost 3 billion, which has been where it's kind of been around for the last month or so. So why did we suddenly get that huge spike in Shiba? Well, we actually had this bit of news come out, okay? And this is 𝐂𝐥𝐸𝐧, 𝐾𝐸, and Shiba are launching on Coinbase Pro. Now, I actually made a video talking about them launching on Coinbase Pro a while ago now, okay? There's a lot of speculation around this, and I put that video out about 3 weeks ago about the potential for this listing on Coinbase, and lo and behold, here we are, we have it right now, okay? Update on June the 16th, we are experiencing technical issues that will temporarily delay the launch of Shiba on Coinbase Pro. So we can only imagine when it does actually get launched, it's going to be big for any investor in this one, okay? Coinbase is one of the biggest exchanges out there to buy a crypto, and you can now get Shiba Inu on Coinbase, as well as Binance and all these other exchanges which have been hitting the headlines as well. This is massive news, one of the biggest bits of news out from Shiba since we've been covering this one, okay? No wonder we saw a big spike, and that big spike is in the current crypto market, which has seen a lot of red as of late. So you can imagine, even in a bear market, we are seeing a massive spike in this. If only if this was a bull market, it would be very much more, that's for sure anyway. But we can see this actually got tweeted and retweeted on the Shiba's Twitter account. Inbound transfers for SHIB are now available in regions where trading is supported. And it says traders cannot currently place orders and no orders will be filled. The trading will begin on or after 9 AM on the 17th. So tomorrow, if the liquidity conditions are met. So we hope they are, but obviously the technical difficulties may well postpone this ever so slightly. But this is massive bits of news. Other articles are covering this one as well. Inves, Coinbase Pro lists Shiba Inu and chills, causing prices to skyrocket. This is massive news for Shiba Inu, okay? And not only that, we've had more exchanges as well. If this bit of news wasn't big enough, other few more exchanges have come onto the scene as well, okay? This was from Stormgain Exchange. You can see here, Shiba and ICP are already available for trading as well. Another one there, and the leash token, as we know as well, is on the scene. Shibaswap is still to come out as well. This is massive, okay, and this is going to enjoy some of the best returns when buying or digging. Check their wolf paper, which we have covered before in previous videos. So we have the leash and bone tokens as well, the ShibasWap platform, all the different big exchanges, Binance, CoinMarket.cap, Coinbase, etc. these big exchanges are massive news. And yeah, Coinbase, this is one of the biggest bits of news here for this one, and it's not even on it just yet, okay? You cannot currently trade this one. That's all to come. We could potentially see another spike up once trading commences, potentially. But we look at some of the figures for this. Over 506,000 holders on Shiba, which has considerably gone up since we were last speaking about. And before, every time we speak about Shiba, this number goes up, okay? And then obviously leash holders is going up as well. Much more under the radar. Not so many people familiar with this one right now, but it's starting to pick up some momentum. Number 11 in altcoin ranking on Lunar Crush, 8 on Dex Tools app, 41 on CoinMarketCap. These numbers are pretty good considering it's just such a new crypto. Only really been on the scene here for just over a month, which is amazing compared to a lot of the other cryptos out there. But with that being said, Shiba is still, to this day, one of the most watched cryptos on CoinMarketCap. Since we started speaking about this one, it's always been in position 1, 2 or 3. It's always been in that top 3 and it still is there. Position number 2 right now, Shiba Inu, and you can see well overtaking Bitcoin, DogeCoin and all these other ones as well on this list. But you can see the market cap is about 3.5 billion at this moment in time of recording. But yeah, this still sits firmly up there in position number 2, despite the fact that it's been consolidating and on a downward trend for some time. Now I have one more bit of news here to cover, and this is another bit of massive news, okay? We speak about the Coinbase listing and Binance and all these other big listings that it's had, and not to mention some other ones we have spoke about in other videos, which, you know, I said I made one on Coinbase a few weeks ago. Another one we made was Robinhood. Will this get to Robinhood? Who knows, potentially. However, the article, the petition for this one, when we first spoke about it, was at about 1,000 signatures. When we first spoke about it, we now look at it, we are past the big landmark of 150,000 signatures, and we're now on the road to 200. We probably will get to 200 as well. This is massive. This is one of the most biggest and popular petitions on change.org, and there is no doubt about it. Robinhood have seen this, and they're probably deciding right now whether this is a good time to add to Robinhood right now, or maybe they should wait a bit longer. But if the popularity continues in this one, I really do think we're going to see that Robinhood listing as well, which once again, we're going to see another massive spike in Shiba, and is a big catalyst for this one going forward as a long-term investment as well. The more exposure Shiba has on these other exchanges, the bigger and better it is for investors, not to mention ShibaSwap coming out as well. So yeah, some massive bits of news around Shiba lately. You know, will this continue up? We hope so. Will the bear market in the crypto stop? Yes, it's just a matter of when. We go through these cycles. We've gone through these cycles on penny stocks, etc. We are in this cycle in the crypto market. But despite the bear market right now, Shiba Inu has responded very well to this news. There's still a lot of eyes on Shiba Inu, and still a lot of exchanges to potentially come as well. If you appreciate all these updates, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. We do have a free Discord with a Shiba channel in there as well. And yeah, thanks for watching. Until next time.